Hello students, exercise 8.4 question number 5 part 5. Question is prove that cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1 equal to cosec A plus cot A using the identity cosec square A equal to 1 plus cot square A. Okay, let's start from left hand side. So left hand side is cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1. See the right hand side is cosec A plus cot A. So you have to convert cos and sin to cosec and cot. And we know cos by sin is cot and 1 by sin is cosec. So here dividing numerator and denominator by sin A. Okay. So dividing by sin A, that means cos A by sin A minus sin A by sin A plus 1 by sin A. This is numerator part. Now denominator part, cos A by sin A minus here plus sin A by sin A minus 1 by sin A. Write within bracket dividing numerator and denominator by sin A. Okay. Now cos A by sin A, we know cot A. So cot A minus sin A by sin A, that is 1, cancel, plus 1 by sin A cosec A divided by denominator also cos A by sin A cot A plus sin A by sin A, cancel, it is 1, minus 1 by sin A cosec A equal to just arrange cot A plus cosec A minus 1 divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Now here question it is given using the identity cosec square A equal to 1 plus cot square A. So cosec square A minus cot square A equal to 1, identity is, that means 1 equal to, we can write cosec square A minus cot square A, only numerator 1. Then easily we can get the right hand side part. So cot A plus cosec A minus 1 equal to, we can write cosec square A minus cot square A. Cosec square A minus cot square A divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. So here using the identity is, since cosec square A minus cot square A equal to 1. This is the identity. Okay, equal to cot A plus cosec A minus cosec square A minus cot square A. That means we can use a square minus b square formula. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Here a is cosec A and b is cot A. So a plus b, cosec A plus cot A into a minus b, cosec A minus cot A. A plus b into a minus b divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. And first part also write within bracket cot A plus cosec A. Now see, first part cot A plus cosec A and second part cot A plus cosec A also there, so we can take common. So take common cot A plus cosec A, take common. So left, that is remaining part is 1, cot A plus cosec A common, so remain 1, 1 minus cosec A minus cot A, so minus cosec A and minus minus plus cot A divided by, first to write 1 plus minus 1 minus cosec A plus cot A. See, numerator 1 minus cosec A plus cot A is there, and denominator also 1 minus cosec A plus cot A. So these two are cancelled, 1 minus cosec A plus cot A. So this equal to cot A plus cosec A. And see the right hand side also cosec A plus cot A. So these two are same, cosec A plus cot A. So you can write this equal to right hand side. So left hand side equal to right hand side, hence root. This is the question. Thank you.